Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Wanda. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's going on? Hey home girl. If you're a new subscriber, hey home girl, think about joining the family before you leave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. So today, if you can tell by the title, doing a little install. Got me a wig from Beauty Forever, and it's not sponsored at all. I bought this wig with my own coins, okay? But I just want to give y'all like my little honest review, whatever. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, stay tuned. This is on my shirt. So we got our ball cap on, going in with the Ruby Kisses. Girl, it's hard to read these numbers. Because even though this is the closure wig, I still want to put makeup right here. So I'm going to with this shade, the one right here.
Tell me what you gonna see in me. Gotta be something different.
Okay. And I'm not cutting the cap because this is a closure wig. This is the wig. I done already pressed it out. And I dyed it jet black. That, I don't know if I want to add that on this video or that's a separate video of me dyeing the hair and stuff like that. So it is 3 combs in here. I normally take the side combs out, but I think I'm gonna just leave it in. And you gotta cut your back part because I am one of those people that do forget.
You must be made for me, places, nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult, let go. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it past me, babe. I don't
Sometimes I wish you knew, but I disguise the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Does your mind play this game too? Think about me and you. I guess I'll just pretend until it all makes sense. See you face to face.
Okay, so this is a 24-inch, I think this is a HD lace 5x5 closure, and this is body wave hairs, but I bone straightened it. So I'm gonna fix my part because I want a middle part bust down.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Said you.
And I bleached my knots. I feel like I might have over bleached them, maybe a little bit. Not really sure.
Heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with this spray, this Bomb Lace spray. I've been using this instead of the freeze spray because I like this a little better. Need to move my cap back some.
You would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been there, swore that I'd catch you fall. I guess know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, into we are.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody. Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Wish I had time to run to you, not run your life. Never wrong you twice. I wanna make things right. Maybe you'll take me. Hope you don't hate me.
Where's the lace, sis? So I'm just gonna run the flat irons through the hair again. I was gonna do baby hairs, but I'm not, because I don't really do baby hairs like that. And I don't wanna mess it up, so I'm not gonna do it.
Don't want to fight anymore. 3 times the silence hell. I wish that I could know all that you said. If you can't find the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder if the only people I'm gonna be when you tell me goodbye.
You're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, into we are. We are.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Use my Erica J Slick Stick.
Sometimes I wish you knew, but I disguise the truth. I say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Does your mind play this game too?
I'm gonna use my LA Pro pressed powder for my part, because I don't really like using concealer.
I guess I'll just pretend until it all makes sense. See,
Girl, and that is the end of this video. Well, let me show y'all, because I'm 5'5", so, well, let me not know. I'm 5'4", so let me show you where the 24-inch comes at on me. It's not very long. This is where it comes at. Yeah. So the hair is cute. It's very, very soft. Like, it's so soft. And this lace, girl, this lace is giving real HD. The only thing I don't like is the hair doesn't feel as thick as I thought it was going to be. Maybe I should have got a 200%, but we'll see. I'm gonna definitely do like a 2-week or a 3-week update just so y'all can know how the hair is going, because I'm definitely going to curl it. But other than that, I like this. I like the no baby hair look. It's real cute, bust down middle part, jet black. This is my go-to. So we made it to the end of this video. As always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave me a comment, and as always, see you next time. See you in my next video. Bye.